Breaking, Latin politicians are Ekpa'S charged with terrorism offenses. An NCP municipal politician is suspected of disseminating separatist propaganda that has led to violence. Finnish police have investigated the case together with Nigerian authorities. Recall that previously it went viral on Nigerian mainstream media as well as the internet that Ekpa'S accounts were frozen and his properties were seized, and that he would be charged to court in May 2025. Brothers and sisters, this is May 2025 and nobody has charged Ekpa'S to court. Sincerely, you have to follow this channel. Share this video. Why? Because I'm committed to giving you authentic and verifiable news. That is what you're going to get from this channel, all right? I don't mince words. If it's not authentic, I'm not going to talk about it. I don't care how much it trends. It went viral back then. I made a video and I told you this is untrue, if you can remember. It went viral. They said it was going to go to court in May 2025. This is May up and running and it has not gone to any court, right? This is coming from Yle News. Yle is a media agency in Finland. So this is dated 16th of May 2025. This is the news in detail, all right? Latin municipal politician Simon Ekpa has been charged with terrorism offenses. Ekpa, a 40-year-old Nigerian-born entrepreneur, is still listed as a member of the city's public transit board, representing Prime Minister Petteri Orpo's National Coalition Party. He has formerly served on 3 other local administrative boards. The Deputy Prosecutor General decided to charge Ekpa with public incitement to commit a crime with terrorist intent and participation in a terrorist group. According to the prosecutor, the charges relate to his activities aimed at re-establishing an independent state in Nigeria's Biafra region. It was briefly independent in the late 1960s. The charges are part of a larger investigation during which the Finnish National Bureau of Investigation detained 5 people. 4 of them were suspected of providing financing for terrorist offenses. These 4 were released during the preliminary investigation. The charges were filed on Friday morning. The case will be heard in Ekpa'S District Court in Lahti. A hearing date has not yet been set. I'm going to say it again. A hearing date has not yet been set. So there's no hearing date. They propose to have a hearing about this case in Ekpa'S District Court in Lahti. But the hearing date has not yet been set. And I hereby promise that as soon as the date is set, yours truly will definitely bring you the news. Furthermore on this, Ekpa is suspected of committing the crimes between August 2021 and November 2024. He's suspected of spreading separatist propaganda from his home in Lahti. The police are investigating the case together with Nigerian authorities as Ekpa's activities are believed to have led to violence and other crimes against civilians and authorities in southeastern Nigeria. Ekpa has been in custody since last November. He has denied committing any crimes. All right. Okay, so this news is coming from Yle Uutiset of Finland. Okay. Now, I promise you may not see this on your mainstream media. You know why? Because this is contrary to the lies they peddled a few months ago, projecting to May. And May, this is May. And guess what? All those big names, they published it. Punch published it. Vanguard, Daily Times, The Guardian, they all published this same news. I'm waiting for them to come and debunk it and tell us that they lied to everyone. Yes, they lied to everyone because this is May and nobody has actually taken Master Ekpa to court. So guess what? You need to plant a seed in the door of your ear so that you know what comes into your ear. It's not everything that they are saying that you have to listen to. Most of them are lying. Why? They just want to warm up their page or their space. So I smell a fish. I smell a fish because it simply means that Nigeria is one pushing the narrative of terrorism against Simon Ekpa. But the thing is, it's not going to be funny. Nigeria is known as a country of terrorism, corruption. You saw the dance of shame that took place in 2023 presidential election. It went viral globally. Everybody saw it. You understand? In these places, there are places where things work. They have effective and functional systems. Systems are working. It's not like in Nigeria where they are doing hide and seek with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Do you understand? So the big question right now is, who is going to represent Nigeria? Is it Musa? Is it Bala Blue? Is it Agbado? I don't understand. Who is going to represent? Because you need to come with your facts. The Biafra people, we have a lot of facts. We have evidence of where Nigerian army are terrorizing the Igbo people. Fulani people terrorizing the Igbo people. The evidences are all over the place. Now, which evidence do they have that they can use to peg terrorism on Mazi Simon Ekpa? Who is going to defend Nigeria? That's the big question. Sincerely, Charlie, according to our Ghana people, it is getting worse. I'm telling you the truth. So let's see how it folds out. They say that the date for the hearing has not been set. As soon as I get information on that, yours truly would definitely bring it your way. What do you think? What do you think about this development? I am particularly excited. You know why? Because the fact that they pegged him, they are talking about terrorism, it doesn't make him a terrorist. And it doesn't mean that is still accusation. So it doesn't mean that he did what they are accusing him of. You understand? So the thing is, what do you think? I'd like for you to share your thoughts respectfully in the comment. Don't forget to smash the like button, favorite this video, and share it with everyone contact that you've got. Share this video massively. This is where I'm going to peg it today until I come your way some other time. See you at the top because the ground is way too crowded. Bye-bye.